Hi, welcome to Dynamite List Builder. I'm going to keep this video short. I just want to go over some basic things about making some money online. Um, if you could think back to when you first started in internet marketing, or if you're new to this industry, then maybe you've asked around and for some help, and you've gotten some advice. And some of the typical advice you might hear is to find an untapped niche and then to monetize that niche. Um, they might have suggested some popular niches such as dating and relationship or weight loss and fitness. And while these are good niches and people have made millions of dollars in these niches, the thing is that they are limited. How many books can you sell on dating and relationships? Yeah, if a person's bought one, maybe they got a date, maybe they got married, and now they want to make their marriage work. They want more books continuing, but it is limited. People are only going to buy so much. Same with weight loss and fitness. Unless you start selling physical products, how many books are they going to buy on it? And if you're passionate about these niches, definitely go into it. But if you're one of those people that's not sure what their area of expertise is going to be, or you're not sure what niche to go into, there is one niche that no matter what niche you go into, you're going to need to know all about: internet marketing. Now, it's a great niche, the best in my opinion. Not everyone agrees with me. Some people will just say it's just too crowded. There's too many other people doing it. I can't make any money in it. The gurus are making all the money, and I don't even know anything about it, and it's too technical. I don't even know where to start. Those are all valid reasons, and I totally understand. But there is room in there to make money in internet marketing. First of all, start building some relationships, providing some quality content, and people are going to start to trust you, and they're going to tell other people about you, and they're going to start buying your products. And even if you know nothing about internet marketing, you can earn as you learn. And I'm going to show you how to set up. The very first thing you should do, once it's set up, you can start gradually building the rest of your business. And you'll have this other part in place already that's going to be making you money and building your list. And another thing that's great about internet marketing is that your customers are just like you. They want the same things you do, so it's easy to relate to them. And there's a lot of other people in this industry you can partner up with, and they don't have to be big gurus. They can be people just like you. You can work together and start promoting each other's programs. And some of these affiliate programs are just, it's great. I mean, you make really high commission. In fact, the commission is higher than what the product owner's making. And often these products are evergreen, meaning, if you start promoting a product today, good chances are it's going to be relevant 5 years from now, and you can keep promoting it. And in this industry, there's a lot of repeat sales because people need solutions for a lot of problems in this industry. And there are a lot of high-end products out there that deliver these solutions. And because they're high-end, they're going to pay a higher commission, so you can make some good money. And one of my favorite things about internet marketing is digital delivery. You can set up your website to deliver the content, which is usually, it could be videos, software, that sort of thing. So you don't have to ship anything, and it frees you up to work on other parts of your business, and it gives you a lot of freedom. And internet marketing, there's always new information that you can provide because, for example, smartphones, that's huge right now, and there's a lot of marketing you do with smartphones. So there's always going to be new things coming up, and there's always going to be growth in all the different sub niches. And there's a lot of sub niches, and these are just a few of them. One that's very important is mindset. You're an entrepreneur, and the people that you're marketing to are entrepreneurs too, and it's important to have a positive mindset. Also in this industry, it's very important to create your own product. So, this is something you can help your customers with. You provide products and solutions that are going to help them with their product creation. Affiliate marketing is another niche. There's two sides of the coin with affiliate marketing too. You got the product owners that want to have their affiliates selling more, and then you have the affiliates that they want to sell more too. So there's they're almost like two separate niches within a niche, a sub niche actually. There's list building, traffic generation. Everyone needs traffic, social media, website design, video creation, continuity programs, software. The list goes on and on. So if you want to succeed in this industry, there's one thing you have to do, and I would like you to go out there and do this today. And after you've done this one thing, you'll be able to work on the back end and start building relationships and getting traffic to your site and building it as a business. But you have to do this one thing for sure. And this is the most important part of your sales funnel, and it's your opt-in page. And it's not that difficult to set up. In the Dynamite list building system, I've put together a very simple way for you to do it and some videos that lead you through the whole thing. So you're going to have it up and running today. If you're too busy today, get it done on the weekend, and then it's done. This is the most important part of your sales funnel. And once it's up, then you can build on it and build on your back end. But you got to have this in place. So it's very important that you do this. So it's called the Dynamite List Builder, and it's very, very simple to get set up. And I got training videos that are going to show you how to do everything on it. And what it's going to do is it's going to start capturing leads for you. You're going to build your list. You're also going to be able to present them with a one-time offer so you can make some money right away. And then there's a follow-up sequence emails that will be sent out to your list. So you're going to continue to make money off of affiliate programs. And it's a great way to get set up fast. And it's going to save you a lot of hassle. And you don't have to put it off anymore. You can have your squeeze page set up. You start gathering leads. You can start making some money, and you don't have to worry about writing a whole bunch of sequences and follow-up emails for your autoresponder. So check out the product out, and even if you don't buy it, at least go out there, and if you don't have this done already, go out and do this one thing. And it's the most important thing. You'll be so glad you did, because you're going to be able to build your list, start making some money, and then you can worry about everything else that's involved in internet marketing and build upon it. All right, so that's it. Check out the product, and I'll see you on the inside.